everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Salma. Please, if you're new here, thank you for coming, for checking out my channel. Please subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much. So I started by trimming off my model's brows, and I'm just cleansing her face now with the Miss Metics micellar water. I've been using this micellar water for years and years and years, and it hasn't disappointed me yet. Not that it would, but yeah. So next, I'm hydrating her face with Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray, and here I'm using the Cosrx Snail Mucin Power Essence as my serum, hydrating serum. So here I'm just blending it out with my blending brush, as you can see. And this was in class, so if you can see me from the mirror, I was talking. I was just explaining to my students, and here I'm mattifying the T-zone with Becca primer. This primer is very good for oily skin, but only use it on the T-zone, not all over the face. So here I'm just applying her foundation. It looks a bit off now because her face is darker than the rest of her body, and I matched to the rest of her body. But yeah, I'm just spreading my foundation before finally using my beauty blender to blend everything in. So here I'm using my Alabama beauty blender, pushing my foundation into the skin so everything becomes flawless and evened out. And I used full coverage foundation, so I didn't need to color correct or anything. So here I'm just trying to cover the places that didn't get much foundation, and yeah, just trying to blend out everything and even out everything. So here I'm applying my cream contour and explaining it to my students, as you can see me in the background through the mirror. So yeah, here I'm blending out my contour, and her face is already kind of taking shape. This is the process of sculpting the face, giving it shape, giving it definition. Excuse my beautiful outfit. So here the contour wasn't really dark for me, so I like sharp contour. I like that contour to show, so I was adding more dark color. Yeah. So here I used my Nuban Beauty lipstick as my blush. I really love this color, so I use it as my blush, as my cream blush. So here I'm just blending it out to blending it on the cheek. So finally I'm about to highlight, and I'm just applying my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the best concealer in the world, guys. It's no hype. I recently got it because of the hype. People have been hyping it for years, but I just got to see the lights. God delivered me. So I'm using my Younger Beauty concealer, which is the second world's best concealer. You can quote me anywhere, and it's proudly Nigerian. So I'm using another Younger Beauty shade. I use like 3 shades for my highlights, just for that to give me that flawless and natural gradient, so I can be able to blend all the colors together. And pardon my head for interrupting this video, but yeah, just still applying my concealer. And here I was explaining why I used 3 different shades of concealer to my students. If you're in Abuja and you want to learn makeup, do well to register with me. My classes are in-depth. As you can see, I explain everything and every step. Like, you must get it, you must sabi the makeup. So here I started blending out my concealer from the chin, and then next I blended the forehead, the nose, and I'm going to blend the rest of the face, that's under eye. So yeah, I'm just blending with a damp beauty blender. A beauty blender is supposed to be damp, and you're supposed to blend gently. If you blend hard, you're going to lift up your concealer instead of blending it into the skin. So yeah, this is process, blending. You have to be really patient, and you have to blend before setting. So I think here I was explaining to my student why you have to blend the crease lines before you set with powder, and then Yeah, I'm still blending and blending and blending, a lot of blending, and I'm finally setting with my Makeup Forever powder. I'm so sorry, I got carried away, so I forgot to show all the products, even though I started in the beginning, and then my assistant didn't even remind me. Sorry, I'll do better. I'm still new to this YouTube space, so yeah, you guys just pardon me. So I am still setting with my compact powder, which is the Makeup Forever powder, and next I'm just setting her whole face with my Passy Pristine powder palette. It's a Nigerian brand as well, and it's a very good powder palette. So just setting everywhere. That's my assistant that did not remind me to be showing my products. She just passed. So yeah, I'm just blending everything. So here I'm emphasizing the contour. I like going over with powder on wherever I used cream products, so I'm just emphasizing the contour and setting it with powder. And yeah, I think here I was blending. I was still using my powder here, sorry. So here I'm snatching the nose, nose contour, making that nose slim. Look how snatched the nose looks already here. So I'm still in the process of snatching the nose and making it look slimmer, and I'm just blending. Makeup is all about blending. You need to be patient enough to blend till you can blend no more, guys. So here I'm back with my Huda Beauty setting powder. I promise to show all the products I'm using in my next detailed video. So still using the setting powder here with my damp beauty blender, the same beauty blender I use to blend everything. So I'm about to outline the brows now, and yeah, I'm using my pencil, and at the same time explaining to my student why I didn't start from the very beginning. If you want a detailed tutorial on any parts of makeup, maybe brows, highlight and contour, skin prep, if you want just video on that, please let me know in the comment section, and trust me to come through for you guys, okay? So yeah, still on the brow, outlining the brows and explaining to my students. Yeah, I'm the best teacher you can ever have, you guys. And that's my friend Ishani Beauty. She came over to my studio, and yeah, as God will have it, she appeared in this video through the mirror. So yeah, just still on the brows, filling it up, giving it hair-like strokes, and yeah, still doing the same thing. I think I'll drop an in-depth brow tutorial on this channel soon, very very soon. So yeah, still on brows, and here I'm just defining it with my concealer and my flat brush from Budge Cosmetics, another amazing Nigerian brand. Yeah, so still doing my thing on the brow, defining, and I would of course blend all these concealers that you can see. So I'm gonna blend now. Yes, blending everything, and then you see how the brows will come all together. And I'm using my Beauty Line by Didi brow tint or brown mascara to just fix up the brow. Please, you can shop from Beauty Line by Didi and use my code to get a discount. I'll leave my code on the screen, and make sure to shop on their website to get a discount using my code. So for the eyeshadow, I'm just blending my eyeshadow base, which is concealer from Younger Beauty. It does the magic for me. I don't really have to use my eyeshadow base all the time. My concealer does the work for me. So I just blended everything, and next I'm going in with my eyeshadow from Juvia's Place. I'm going in with a brown base, a very dark brown base. I'm just smoking it out, and yeah, that's about that. So I'll blend that all over the eyelid before finally applying my pigments and everything. So I'm still applying the base. That's the brown eyeshadow from Juvia's Place Cosmetics. My brushes from Bell. Both brushes that I use are from Bell. So I'm using the Zulu palette, the Juvia's Place, the burnt orange to just blend out the transition. To blend out the edges, not the transition, I'm sorry. So yeah, still blending. Then finally I am applying my shimmery shade from the Luster Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and yeah, I'm using my hand to just apply that on the eyelid. So I'm using a brush now to apply a more gold eye pigment, which is from Luster Cosmetics as well. So yeah, doing the other eye, just doing the same thing, and that's my student at the background looking at me attentively. So I'm using another Beauty by Didi product. I'll leave my code on the screen and you can check out it. Their products are really amazing. So here I've fixed the lashes. My assistant did not record all these processes, you guys, I'm so sorry. So here I'm just dusting off everything, trying to just blend everything together so the face comes out, looking uniform as one, everything blended. So yeah, still blending and blending and blending. You must be patient and you must have eyes to see everything that needs blending. So here I'm using my bronzer to bronze up the face, and here I'm using my blush, and that's my friend Anita. She came to say hi to me. And here I'm just setting the face with my Morphe luminous setting spray, and my student was asking me question and I was explaining as I should, as a good tutor. So I'm just drying the face now, and here we're trying to complete our reels. The reels is up on my Instagram page already, and this is the finished look, you guys. I see makeup now. Come on, you guys should book me, please. And bye, see you in my next one.